Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can set up a next.js project in localhost. In my case it's Windows 11, so I will teach you how to set up the next.js project in Windows 11. So without any delay, let's start. Okay, first of all, you can see that I have opened a random folder in my Windows 11, but before moving on you must have to install the node.js in your Windows 11. Let me open my browser, and here I'm going to type here node.js, and I will open this website. From this website you can download the node.js on your Windows 11. If you do not have node.js available already, you can click on the I button to watch our video that how you can install the node.js in Windows 11. Once you will download and install this, it will also set up the node package manager npm in your Windows 11 as well, and we will use npm to set up our next.js project. Okay, let me again move here, and now I'm going to press here, I'm going to type here cmd. So because I'm assuming that you have installed the node.js, now I'm going to type here npm create next app. When you start creating React.js app, you simply type here React app, but now we are going to create next.js app, so I will simply type here create next app and my project name like my next app, and that's it. Now I will press enter here. Oops, I'm sorry, I think I need to type here npx not npm. So now I will press enter here, and now you can see that it is asking me that either I want to create this project. I will press y, means yes. Okay, now it will ask me some questions. Would you like to use TypeScript? Yes. Would you like to use ESLint? Okay, yes. Tailwind CSS? Yes. And src directory, obviously you can press yes, but I have pressed no currently. And app router, yes. And would you like to customize the default import alias? I will press no here. Okay, so these are some essentials that like tailwind css. If you will press yes here, you don't need to install tailwind css separately, so it is a helpful for beginners that everything that is mostly required in your next.js project will be automatically set up. Set up a next.js project can take time, but it depends on the speed of your computer and internet. Okay friends, you can see that 133 packages are looking for funding, and success, our next.js project is created. Now I'm going to simply type here cd and my next app, because this was our project name, so I'm typing this. You have to type here your exact project name that you give in your previous command when you were creating the next.js project. So simply I will press enter. Let me press cls so I can clear everything, and now simply I have to type here npm run dev. Make sure not npx this time, npm run dev. And here you can see that our next.js project is run on our local server. I can simply copy this link here and paste here like this. Okay, so friends, hooray, you can see that the next.js project is set up in our local host successfully. And now in the last which is not required, but let me show you that how you can print hello world here, because this is the dream of every programmer. So simply I will move to my folder, and here is the project that we have created. I will open in my Visual Studio Code. Yes, I trust this author, and I will simply click on app and page.tsx, and from here let me comment all this stuff, or I'm going to remove this stuff here, and here I'm going to type here h1 hello world. Okay friends, on the top left corner you can see the hello world is printed successfully. So friends, hit the like button if video was helpful, and please like this video. And if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.